the map, we're not far from BSU in the highly desirable South Boise neighborhood. This is the Division Street duplex. It needs a new mailbox, and there's some boxing on the driveway. The street itself has other duplex homes. Mature trees. And lots of little road patches. This is one of the nicer ones on the block. Neighbors are landscaping, that's the noise. I see maybe signs of exterior touch-up paint. I'm not sure if that's what that is on the siding or what the slight changes in color are. Lots of off-street parking with this extra little area, and then in front of the single car garages, and then there's street parking as well. And I would fix the mailbox and I would